The old man's going to be running out in the rec center, see what the hell's going on this time of day. It's like 7 o'clock here in Mount West time. And hey, how you doing, Bubblegum? What's up? You fixing your hair? Looks nice. You're doing cool. You can't talk, can you? Yeah. That really sucks. Can you talk?
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yes.
Yes. I like that. Is that Canadian?
No.
No. Is that Norwegian?
Watch me.
Hey.
What?
Hey,
I'm gonna snap another one.
hey. You got a mic?
Of course I got a mic. Can you hear me? Fucking talk?
You got a hello?
Hello.
I got
Hello?
another one.
You got a mic?
I got another one.
doing in here, bro?
I got a question, sir.
You
Pikachu
look
or
like
Eevee?
you're about to go fishing.
I got a question
I
too.
did it.
You guys want to see my joystick?
Yo, what?
No, I want to see your.
No, literally my YouTube page. I just pulled out my old joystick and started playing with it again, and I'm telling you, it's working great, man. I'm playing with it. I'm having fun with it. No, seriously, go look at my YouTube
Did you have
page.
a blast?
My name's right here on top of my head. Oh, you know what? You guys are thinking the wrong thing.
No.
Oh yeah. I'm pretty sure. No, when an old man says I'm playing with my joystick, you all come up to the same conclusion, don't you? And it's on YouTube. Hey, if it was dirty, it would be on what the hell is that called? OnlyFans thing or something? Yeah. Well, it's not. What?
I got a question. Pikachu or Eevee?
Do I what?
Pikachu or Eevee? Would you rather choose Pikachu or Eevee?
I'm 63 years old. I don't even know what a Pikachu is. The hell's a Pikachu? The fuck's a Pikachu?
Give me your hand, please.
Hang on, I gotta stand up for a second. I'm on the couch. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Here.
No, really, you guys should go to my YouTube page and see me playing with my joystick. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Seeing the old man play with his joystick is like, it's fun. I'm telling you, I kick ass with my joystick.
Oh yeah. Playing with the joystick is very nice. Please friend me, please.
I thought I did. Please tell your friends, go subscribe to the old man and give him some likes and
That's
shit
your
and
name.
stuff, okay? Because, look,
That's
he's
your
working
name?
hard. He's working hard on his joystick, okay? He really is.
That's your real name on YouTube? Wait, come back.
Yeah, my cat's too fat. Yeah, that's my real name on YouTube.
Okay, I'm gonna look it up. Ugh.
You don't have to look away. It's not that joystick. It's the other one. Shit.
My cats.
Hey, somebody taking a picture of me. Have you seen my joystick yet?
Not yet.
No, I'm talking to this one. Taking pictures of me. Come on, please.
Oh, no, it's that joystick.
Please go look at my joystick, okay? On YouTube. I'm telling you. You won't believe what the old man can do with a broken hand and a joystick.
The old man can do a lot of things that will scar little children.
Oh my god.
I'll do a lot of-
YouTube. Oh
What?
my god, you actually are a YouTuber.
Yeah, and yeah, I'm actually playing with my joystick.
Yeah, I can't believe you're actually playing with a joystick.
Yeah, an old gamer, 63 years old, playing first-person shooters with a frickin' joystick and a mouse, right?
A mouse.
Yes. Well, you don't think I don't. You think I play with my joystick on its own? No, I play with the mouse also. Look, you can't play with your joystick if you don't pet your mouse at the same time. That's the way shit goes. Okay?
Huh?
Yeah.
I think you're talking about the other kind.
The other kind of what? What the hell is this on my head?
The other kind of your deadlifting when you're
Yeah. That's kind of the idea.
Okay. This is a nice YouTube channel. I'm definitely gonna subscribe because you're bald and you have nice hair.
Yeah, I got more hair on my chinny chin chin than Santa Claus does. Hey, you guys all. Hey, don't shoot me in the face. The old man don't deserve that crap. Hey,
I can do whatever I want. I can do whatever you want. I can do whatever I want. I can do whatever.
yeah, I'd like to meet your parents.
I'm a
Hey, you guys have a good evening.
I'm a
The old man's gonna
3-year-old.
run right now. Okay, he's got to go.
Can I come with?
I hope you get them.
You can go to my YouTube page and we can keep connected. Okay.
Okay.